Welcome to Miki's kitchen. Today is the 40th day. I'll show you how to cook burdock salad. Have you watched my yesterday's YouTube? I cooked kimpira burdock and today it's gonna turn into a salad. It's very easy and delicious. So let's get started cooking. First, cut cucumber into the same shape of the burdock and carrot. So like this. Okay, then put in a strainer and sprinkle a little salt. And let stand for about 5 minutes to remove the water of the cucumber. Okay, now 5 minutes passed. Then wash the cucumber and squeeze them and put in a bowl. Okay, now put kimpira burdock, which I cooked yesterday, in a bowl. And add mayonnaise in it. The amount of mayonnaise is up to you. Like this, and mix them. Okay, that's it. Then put it in a cup. Then, now it's time to eat. Oh, if you like sesame seed, you can put more. Okay, it's done. いただきます。Tastes good. It's very easy and delicious. You can try it. Well, tomorrow I'll cook tonkatsu or pork cutlet. I don't know it's Japanese food or not, but my family love it, so I'll cook tomorrow. Well, see you tomorrow.